Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's take a look at the history of HTML. Helps us understand how it evolved. World Wide Web was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. HTML was also invented by him in late 1991, which is considered to be the first version of HTML. HTML 2.0 was published in 1995, considered to be the first standard HTML specification that is made public. HTML 3.2 was published in 1997 with some W3C recommendations. HTML 4.01 was published in late 1999, considered to be the major version that is widely used. XHTML 1.0 was published in 2000, which is the reformulation of HTML 4.01 in XML, which made XHTML case sensitive, and the XHTML documents are both hypertext as well as XML documents. HTML5 was published in 2012, which is an extension of HTML 4.01. HTML 5.1 was published in 2016 with some W3C recommendations. HTML 5.2 was published in 2017 with some more W3C recommendations. The latest version is referred as HTML5, which is something we mean when we say HTML in this tutorial. Overall, HTML has a long history and it is going to stay, and every web developer must know about it. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.